Do you know how many stars are there in our galaxy? Around 100 billion. Let's just zoom out further. Do you know how many galaxies are there in the universe? A staggering 200 billion. Now, each of these galaxies potentially containing hundreds of billions of stars. And as you know, most stars host planets. Now, how many planets float around in the universe? The exact figure is not known, but what we do know is that there are more than grains of sand present on the planet. And not by a little, but by a lot. These planets that exist outside our solar system are known as exoplanets. Do you know how many of them we have spotted? Only 5,332, orbiting in some 3,931 planetary systems. And this is not even the tip of the iceberg. What are these exoplanets? What are they made of? And why have we been hunting for them? Let me answer these questions. Roughly speaking, there are 4 types of exoplanets. The first type being gas giants. They don't have hard surfaces. Instead, they have swirling gases above a solid core, just like Jupiter and Saturn. And then there are Neptunians. They are similar in size to Neptune or Uranus. Their core consisting of rock and heavier metals. And then we have super Earths, the exoplanets bigger than our planet. And lastly, the terrestrials, which are exoplanets with rocky surfaces. Over the past decade or so, we have started understanding more about these planets. Surprisingly, many of them are in habitable zones. What does that mean? To understand that, first answer this. Why does life exist on Earth? The most important factor is its distance from the sun. It's neither too close nor too far. Our planet is neither too hot like Mercury or Venus, nor too cold like Neptune or Uranus. The conditions are just fine for water to exist in liquid form. And this is the first necessary criterion for life to form. Similarly, a lot of exoplanets lie in such zones, meaning that they show the potential of sustaining life. Why am I giving you this science lesson? To try and tackle the age-old question, is there life outside our planet? Could aliens be watching us? Well, some scientists say that's very likely. And now a Pentagon official and a Harvard scientist have made a stunning proposition. In a draft paper, the duo says our galactic neighborhood may have an extraterrestrial spaceship, and that it could be watching us with tiny probes, just the way humans send out spacecraft to explore planets. They are calling these probes dandelion seeds. And where does this theory even come from? How credible is it? It relates to an interstellar object that passed through our solar system in the year 2017. It is called Oumuamua. It had an unusual elongated shape. It was earlier thought to be a comet, but unlike a comet, it did not have a tail of gas and dust, and it was moving away from the sun. The comet theory was dismissed. Then what exactly is Oumuamua? The Harvard scientist Avi Loeb saying it was an alien spaceship. You heard that right. 6 months before it approached our planet, a 1-meter wide meteor smashed into Earth. This meteor was not related to Oumuamua, but it got scientists thinking. They have proposed that an artificial interstellar object could be a parent craft, which could be releasing many small probes to planet Earth. In fact, the authors say aliens could be using them to explore our planet. The draft paper is yet to be peer-reviewed. But again, how credible is this theory? We are yet to find out. And the Pentagon has recently shown renewed interest in studying unidentified objects. More than 360 new investigations have been opened into unidentified anomalous phenomena. All of these encounters were reported by US military personnel. There isn't adequate information to resolve half of these sightings, and the mystery continues. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.